Good morning, this is Simon. I'm back at Wood Plumpton and starting to do some work on charms. It's been a long, hard slog so far. All I've been doing so far is remove furniture, old batteries, old floorboards, and a lot of mud, dirt, grease and horrible stuff out of the bilges. So far, the inside is looking more like a bare boat again, so that I can get to all the fastenings on the boat and so undo the fastening which hold the original planks on, and then be able to refasten in an additional manner, which is copper nails and ropes.